name is Malin Busk. I'm the founder of High on Life. I was traveling in Ghana and I saw the abundance of skilled tailors working in every corner of the road. And I realized that that's the normal way to do your clothes or to buy clothes is to go to the market, buy your fabric, take it to the tailor, take your measurements, choose from a catalog or big pictures your style, and you make your changes, etc. And then the tailor saw it, and a few days later you can pick up your very own unique style. So I got very inspired of this and like, okay, I want to try this. As I'm not a designer, I'm not trained as a designer. I'm not very good in sewing. But I have a lot of ideas. So this was my way of trying out my ideas with someone that was skilled in sewing. In the same day, I can have an idea. My tailor understands my way of doing an ugly sketch and showing some pictures and manage to create more or less what I'm looking for. Living in two continents have been a great influence for me when it comes to taking my Scandinavian heritage and mix it with the African influences to create what I call street couture. I mean, from Sweden, I have my clean lines, the minimalistic kind of streetwear influences. And in Ghana, it's the extra everything, extravagant bling, look at me, patterns, bold fabrics, etc. So, and that's what inspired me. Also the street life in Ghana, where you have this mix of traditional wear, ladies going to church with their colorful creations and turbans and everything, and then like ghetto boys following the latest, I mean, more American trends, but in their own way because they don't have the money, so they need to create something their own way. And I just love that mix of people in the same street looking so different. Sustainability has been my, I mean, it's my start for working in fashion at all. Or I kind of wanted to leave fashion when I understood how bad it is. And then I realized, okay, there is other ways to do it. So let that be my niche and try to change something, even in a small scale, but do something different. I only produce what there is demand for. I don't make stock. We don't have to send anything for landfill or burning or anything like that. And of course, the fair trade, ethical production. As I've been working with independent tailors, paying them what they ask for, sometimes more because I think what they ask for is too low. I mean, I'm very lucky to have so many talented people around me that are also happy to contribute with their specific talent. And I think that makes the difference, because then everybody have their creativeness and you make magic together.